Alright, so for many of you guys who click on this video, you're probably wondering how this would look on your truck or your Ford Maverick. I don't know why they didn't spell Maverick right. It's considered here McCriv. So we're going to put on the McCriv logos. Obviously, we're going to put them on correctly. See here, the reason why I went with these ones was I was looking all over. These ones are a little bit thicker, so we're going to see how they fit on the Maverick right now. So let's go ahead and put them on. I just want to make sure that this is all nice and clean. I got the product here. Let's see how it looks. It looks like it's going to fit just nicely. So we're going to start off by peeling the back side of this. Try not to touch the 3M tape. And center it. That's A. Or I'm sorry, that is M. Now just looking at the center of the A here, just to put it on. I want to make sure we press down on all of these. So this one is C. Pull this plastic, so we want to get the V. Alright, so I gotta be extra careful with this. Don't want to keep touching it, but the V, if I flip it over on the other side, you guys see it looks like a little bit of the adhesive is sticking up, and that's just going to catch dirt, sand. So I'm going to just take a razor blade here and clean this up. So now when we look on it straight on right there, you're not going to see it as much, and it's not going to collect all that crap in there. So moving on, I'm going to put on this V. Alright, I'm going to put on this E. Now for the R. I. Now for the C and the K. Now if I had to give this product a review, I'm going to give this a total of 3 out of 5 stars. And the reason why that is just this E right over here, and then me cutting out the V. Looking from this angle, you can see really the double-sided tape, and it kind of bothers me. I'm putting on a 5 stars because hopefully they last on there pretty good. They ain't coming off too easily, even with the thin letters of the E. But beggars can't be choosers. This is only 30 bucks, and the link is in the description if you guys are interested in picking this product up. They have like an American flag one, blue, all sorts of different colors. Check that link in that description because, like I said, this isn't too bad. And now let's I got a little bonus one. Those 2 American flags I picked up also. Oh no, is that dirt? But got some American flags that are metal. We're gonna take those out, see how they look, and put them on the doors. So right here I got these American flag decals. They're metal. I'm gonna put them just right about here. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this 3M tape. This is probably approximately 3/4 of an inch. It really depends how far you want it away from the edges. So I'm going to put this tape on, see where I want them, and note that these flags are directional. So one side's going to go here, and then on the other side, it's going to pretty much stick on just like that. I'm going to go with the lines of the truck. Now this ain't going to be a perfect right angle. So I'm gonna go straight with the corner here, just like that. That's probably exactly where I want it. So all I gotta do is cut off the sticker. Put it right in my corner. And the satisfying part, voila! Now we're just going to do exactly the same thing but on the other side. Alright, so here we are on the other side. Again, we're going to go with this line. Now I realize I don't have any good videos of the flags up close, so here's a good shot. And here's a picture of the decals on the tailgate. The link is in the description below, and again, like I said, you could pick different colors, and I really like how they stick out more than the OEM ones from Ford. Now, if you made it this far into the video, consider hitting that subscribe button, that like button, and definitely comment below. That really helps out. We like to hear from you guys what you think or what you've done, and tell me your personal opinions about these decals. So, other than that, my name's Nick, and this is Mechanic Built.